So we return home from Diff Shopping. We have a lot of dips. Tell them that. Tell them the kind of diff we having. 720.
120.
Original 120. And I believe it's a gallon 2000.
With S13,
S13 brakes something. This pad. This brake, sorry. This brakes I mean. S13 spindles. S13 brakes, this pad, and rotor, and more parts. We have more parts. Look. We going. I don't know if the camera will pick up with the light, but we go in there. More parts. Look, S13 front brakes. You know, car have more parts inside than outside. We have a lot of parts. You know, and we have the SR. I don't think we ever filmed the SR before.
So,
since we put it in.
no, you're saying pictures.
I have pictures. I don't think I posted up on it yet. You know.
Yeah, that's true. I put it on Instagram.
I posted, yeah, on Instagram, yeah, the car on Instagram, yeah.
I put nothing on this car,
yeah.
Nothing.
You know?
Because I waited when I get driving now, then I wow.
Car clean and nice something, you know.
Dirty.
If it's clean and nice, don't worry. Cleaning at a different manner. So we could try and you could see we have no diff.
That's it.
Nothing right now on the rear end. We have 3 diffs to choose from. We're gonna try to hook up something. Two actually.
Definitely can.
One is definitely not working.
No.
See the car very clean and decent and nice, you know. Yeah.
That's all. You know the best color I choose for this car, yeah?
Check out the diff.
What's that? Somebody else up here?
What you saying? Stain up.
Stain up my car.
Stain up your car, dog?
You know, what? Scratch.
Yeah,
why does it do that way?
Apart from all the dust, look at the stain.
I remember to look for them mirrors too for the bonnet. Oh, nah. When you turbo cut out, go up on top and you're going for them mirrors. Just see any of these.
Turbo.
Mirrors good at these. So the leaf.
So this is the plan for now. Until we figure out the diff, we're going to do the diff. The spindles in front, you know, the front suspension, brakes, etc.
Yeah, drive shaft.
We had to get a drive shaft too. We had to get a drive shaft, you know, we had to get a radiator. I could see what's going on here. All tight. You know, first time we do that SR now 120, so we already had too much information, you know. The back all tight too. We don't want it too tight because of the bolts and thing, you know. Quite easy to, you know, we had a chin or a clutch or something, we could just take out the bolts right here, drop the transmission, you know.
So
Cause we can't
send the engine forward.
Yeah, we don't want to send the engine, we don't want to make it too
Plus
tight in the
the
back.
brackets, the original mounting brackets for the gearbox working.
Yeah, the original
on
mounting
the
brackets
same
working
same
exactly
spot.
at same end.
Same
The
spot.
same thing, yeah. Let me look below here. The same gearbox brackets from the original 120 and the SR bolted in the same exact spots. So we had that going for yeah, the hole in the inside is the open.
Yes.
So the hole in the inside with the gear levers, you can see the gear levers will be quite here. You can see where the gear lever reach, quite down to the back. It's a little longer, but it worked, and I all we had to cut.
The handbrakes, the gear bumps in
Oh yeah, the gear lever bunks in the handbrakes lever, if you know what I mean. So when you pull the lever, it bunks in, you know. Yeah. You know. But that's the plan for now, We are bound for 4 gears, 1, 2 and 3. So you know.
5. Hopefully 6 one day.
So we're going for more level going on and thing, you know. Right? Peace.